went a full half second faster. I didn't toot my own horn, but I didn't miss third.
So that's the motor from the buck. What did you do? What was wrong with it?
Cracked piston.
And wasn't something wrong with the rings?
Huh?
Rings?
Well, the ring lines were cracked.
Those
It was pulling
lines
down. Yeah.
Okay. That's it? Just one piston? And then you slap it back
Piston and
together?
the oil pump.
And how much boost is it on?
Ish. I don't know, we skipped it. Crappy because eBay and it sucks like it really
eBay wastegate, eBay turbo, what size is the turbo? And then bone stock motor.
Bone stock, gas springs,
Cool. What'd you run on the B20?
13.1.
Okay, that was without slicks too? Or was that with
That
slicks?
was just street radials.
Okay. And what do you have now?
Street tire.
Cool. Again. What?
They're making me get a helmet.
Why did you miss fifth? Did you say fourth was like it almost
I ran out
ended,
fourth.
it almost
well, I
ended
have
in
a
fourth?
fifth gear in it, so it doesn't like switching over that quick. So
Were you close to fourth at the end?
I was bouncing, I was banging off limiter in fourth.
Like close to the end?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Now it'll spike to 13 and drop down to 11. It depends on the gear though.
Huh.
My second it'll stay around 11 or 10 all the time. Third gear it'll go up a little bit 13s, and like fourth gear it'll like kind of spike up to like, I don't know. I haven't tried daylight, I didn't see, but
That sucks. Can't believe you still haven't cut your hair. Ha ha.
pass.
Let's say it again.
Last pass, we're taking the air brake off.
Still gonna spin.
So, spinning, winning.
You spun like a son of a gun.
I know.
Like a lot. No, what was it?
It's 3 something.
No way.
3.2 seconds.
What was your 60 foot before?
2.8.
2.8?
Yeah.
That's still pretty bad.
I know. It didn't go anywhere. I was just spinning.
Yeah, get some tires.
Like I let off.
I think your tires are just crap.
Nice tires.
No, they're not. What are they? Those are not. Those are Chinese. Are they Chinese though? Are you lying?
No.
They're Chinese. Yes, they are. Don't lie. They're crap.
Telling
happened?
It went fast.
Without you driving?
That is correct.
Who was driving?
Kyle.
Who's that?
It went a full half-second faster. I ain't too my own horn, but I didn't miss third. People give me crap for missing third and being a bad driver. You know, a little pat on the back. I feel good.
Faster ET and faster mile per
But
hour.
it had 10 or 11 psi in the tires, and I told him when he first launched, I was like, that looks like too much. It just spun, and it did a 1.7, and now we're at 7.5.
I took this
I'm
one 7.
guessing it's
I went
gonna
7.
help. You went 7?
I went
Yeah,
7.
this is
I'm
7
guessing,
now.
yeah, we're now what, almost 4 psi less in the tires, so I guarantee that's gonna help it even more.
We're gonna go this past.
What was that 60? What was that 60 foot?
1.7.
That's not
Spun like
bad.
What do you mean not bad?
It's not bad, but it could be way better.
It'd be way better.
Sorry, he did a
1.5?
3 something 60.
You're on street tires though, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're on street tires, bro.
That last one was so bad. Spun way less. That might be it. No, but better.
I ran a 13.7 at 108. Slower faster. I don't know.
You spun a lot less
Off the line.
off the line, and then the rest of the gears were da 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 da.
You hear it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I keep running out of gear.
You know what else is bad?
What?
Your mullet.
Yeah.
It needs to.
No, it's great.
It drives me nuts.
Every time though, I keep running out of 5th or 4th gear. Like literally, and I go to 5th.
Right
and it's
at-
like the gearing's such a big change, you know?
Yeah.
It's just no boost. It's just it's just a dog in 5th gear. Going at 82, I think it can handle 83.
Case, what'd you do? Just increased RPM in 4th, so it might run out a little less.
Yeah, just barely a little bit.
That's it. No more boost, no nothing.
I added some timing, like
Okay.
half a degree up top.
And you took the roof rack off for aerodynamics.
Yeah.
America.
America.
Okay. What on earth happened?
Dang, I wish I knew somebody who did this.
Screw it. I'm just gonna run it. I'll just buy a new
Too bad.
next week.
Okay. That was better. You just stayed in 4th?
Huh?
You just stayed in 4th?
Probably like 200 feet. Just coasting.
Really?
Yeah.
Mile an hour was the best.
that you've had.
111. So.
Yeah. I think if you,
I think it
the rest of the
was
run feels good except for the launch.
Yeah.
So I think if we get that,
Well, if I get the launch good, I mean, I should be able to have time to get in the fifth, maybe.
yeah, no, that's true. It sucks that fifth is so much bigger. Yeah.
I thought about the highway because it's just like
Right.
street car.
No, it makes more sense. Yeah, and you can always look at it that way too. Is just see how quick you can get through 1 through 4th, and then whatever happens
Mine's
after
second
that.
off. All right.
Yeah. But oh well, at least now we know what it does, what it needs.
I'll find me and Mina some slicks tomorrow.
Yes. Cool. Well done. High fives. Yay. Okay.